Good night, everybody. My name is Dr.S.P.Sheet. Today, I want to discuss about the anatomical part of digestive system. Now, I want to discuss about digestive system. You know, the digestive system contains of gastrointestinal tract. That means alimentary canal and its gland. The functions of gastrointestinal tract are ingestion, digestion, and absorption of food and excretion of waste products. But I want to discuss about the parts of digestive system. The parts of digestive systems are: number 1, mouth. Number 2, pharynx. The front portion is called pharynx or gallobin in Bengali meaning gallobin. Number 3, esophagus বা খাদ্যনালী. Number 4, stomach, that is called stomach. It is stomach. Number 5, small intestine, that is Bengali meaning ক্ষুদ্রান্ত্র. Number 6, large intestine, Bengali meaning বৃহদন্ত্র. And rectum and anus. In those parts are jointly called digestive system. Here I want to discuss about the mouth, that is buccal cavity. Mouth, that means buccal cavity. It is the upper expanded portion which forms the beginning of alimentary canal. It can be divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. Number 1, vestibule and outer part. Vestibule, that means outer part. It lies between the lips and inner lining of cheeks externally and gums and teeth internally. In internally cheeks, externally cheeks, and internally gums, that means mari, Bengali meaning mari, and teeth in internally. Number 2, cavity of mouth and inner part. Number 1, vestibule in outer part, and number 2, cavity of mouth, that is inner part of the mouth cavity. It is bounded by inner part of the mouth cavity, cavity of the mouth. It is bounded by teeth and mastoid bone at the sides, palate above and tongue below. Palate, that means talu, Bengali meaning, and tongue, that is jihobba, Bengali meaning. Palate forms of root of the mouth cavity. Palate, that means talu. Palate forms the roof of the mouth. That is roof. That is roof. And roof মানে যাকে ছাদ বলা হচ্ছে বাংলায়, roof of the mouth cavity. It consists of hard palate. It is এই যে মাউথ রূপটা consist of hard palate which is in front and soft palate which is behind. Uvula algebra, that is Bengali meaning. Uvula is a conical process which hangs from the middle of soft palate. Two folds of the mucous membrane called interior and posterior pillars of focuses light on either side of the uvula. Tonsil lies in between these folds. That is, in this portion tonsil belongs. The important structures of mouth are: number 1, tongue; number 2, teeth; number 3, salivary gland. Now I want to discuss about on tongue. You know, tongue lies in the floor of the mouth and it is attached to hyoid bone. And tongue consists, number 1, a root at which blood vessels and nerves passes. Number 2, a teeth which is pointed when the tongue is protruded and rounded when the tongue is in the mouth. Number 3, two margins which are in contact with lower teeth. Number 4, an upper surface which contains a small elevation called drowsum. Number 5, a lower surface which contains a soft ligamentous structure called peroneum. Number 1, the two important structures of tongue are number 1, taste bud, which are on the lateral aspects of the tongue. Taste bud which are situated in two sides of the tongue in inner side. And number 2, 3 types of palate present on upper surface. They are circumvallate palate and fungiform palate and piliform palate. In this picture, you may understand about the tongue. Now I want to discuss about teeth. Now I want to discuss about teeth. Teeth are concerned with mastication. Depending on the age at which they arise, teeth can be classified into two parts. Number 1, permanent teeth. Number 3, temporary or milk teeth. Permanent teeth, the teeth of the adult life, which are to be situated permanently. But temporary or milk teeth, the teeth of the childhood. Now it will be discussed descriptively in part 2 classes next time. Please, I want to I request to all doctors or physicians or practitioners to like this video and subscribe it. Thank you very much.